Alright, somebody asked me to do number 15 and some other of these same problems, I think. So, let's see what we have with number 15, 16, whatever. Centroid. We're told this is the centroid. That means all that business about 3 equal parts, that's going to apply. Let's label what I have. AD is 15. So let me use that. AD is 15. Okay, that means this whole distance from here to here is 15. Well, I will take the longer piece and split it into 3 equal parts. If I do that, well, this is 15. So how big will each of these 3 equal parts be? Yeah, they're each going to be 5. So this is going to be 5, 5, and 5. Okay? So, I can use that to find some stuff. But let's see what else we can do. I have this 13 right here. Let me work with the 13 for a second. Let's see, can I switch colors on it though? Alright, this 13, that's not going to be enough. I guess I'll just do green. Alright, the 13 is a long piece. So I need to take that 13 and split it in half. So what's half of 13? Well, that's going to be 6.5. I changed my mind. Let's do purple. Okay? So that means I'm going to have 6.5 for each of these pieces. This is 6.5. This is 6.5, and this GE over here, that's also going to be 6.5. Those are my 3 equal pieces. Started from the 13, split that, but then this third piece should be the same. So I have 3 5s and I have 3 6.5s. So let's see how many questions I can answer using these pieces of information. Okay, so looking at number 15, we're supposed to say, what is AG? Do I know that? Looking at my picture, AG is right here. Clearly AG is 10. 5 plus 5. Okay, so that is 10. What about GD? Can I answer that? GD is right here. It is 5. Okay, what about CD? CD is right here. I cannot get CD directly from just the information I've found. But as you saw in previous homework and lessons, I will do the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle right here. Let me make it real clear for you. Look at this red triangle, which is the one I'm talking about. I'm going to take this triangle and move it, if I can, to make it more clear. Okay, so follow this with me. In this triangle, this is the 90-degree angle from right here, would be in the corner. This 13 is the hypotenuse. That's going to be right there. We have that. This leg right here is 5. So that's this 5 right here. So for problem number 17, we're supposed to find length CD. So we're supposed to find this length right here. If I find this x, that'll be length CD that I'm really finding. So I'm just going to do the Pythagorean theorem. Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. So that's going to be x squared plus 25 is equal to 169. Subtract 25 from both sides. That's going to give me x squared is equal to 144. So if I take the square root of both sides, that's going to give me x equals 12. That means that x is 12, CD is 12. So every now and then you're going to have to do the Pythagorean theorem. Always watch out for that. All right, what about GE? Do we know that? Yeah, GE is this purple 6.5 right here. Okay, so GE is 6.5. And what about GB? GB. Alright, I'm betting that this is going to be symmetric, okay, because this is perpendicular and everything. So I'm betting that GB is going to be 13, just like this side. Okay, so GB 13. Alright, symmetric. The left side is 13, the right side is going to be 13, with it being perpendicular and all. Okay, that is how you do these problems.